today, market update and altcoin updates, we are going to talk about whether we are going to see a next bull run of altcoins or we are going to see a next leg down. So, in front of us, we have the Ethereum chart and what Ethereum is currently doing and what are the expectation levels for upcoming days for Ethereum. As we can see, Ethereum is currently trading at $1,790 zone and forming up and about to form a inverse head and shoulder patterns head. We have seen a left shoulder form in between around $1,750 zone and the head was formed around $1,400 zone about to form. So if we on the indicator SMA indicator, so here we can see an EMA ribbon 50 EMA 55 ribbon which is sitting at $1,835 zone, giving Ethereum a quite good resistance. So Ethereum need to break this resistance. Once Ethereum break this resistance, I am hoping Ethereum to hit the target of $1,937 zone. And if Ethereum breaks this red resistance zone and closes at least two candles above this, then our inverse head and shoulder pattern will be inverse and ETH is going to be more higher at zone like $2,300 zone, and then if then this zone breaks, then our next zone will be around $2,700 zone. But I am expecting first that Ethereum should go toward the $1,900 zone and then come toward the lower zone at $1,650 zone to $1,660 zone, where we have FVG, fair value gap. Once it fill this fair value gap, it should bounce back, and once we break out from this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then ETH easily going to be around $2,800 to $3,000 zone within a couple of months. So what we should have to do, if we have bought Ethereum at current zone, we should have to book our initial seed amount and let the rest run. And if the price came down toward the $1,640 zone, then we are going to deploy the seed amount again. In a longer term, if we see the ETH price action, so ETH is still undervalued, and if someone is planning to buy Ethereum for long term, it should buy at this zone, and if goes down toward lower zones, it should add more and should hold Ethereum for longer term. I will buy Ethereum from this zone and at least hold it for 1 to 1.5 years, which I am expecting. In between, Ethereum will hit a new all-time high around $6,000 to $8,000 zone. Let's talk about XRP USDT, what I have discussed previously and what I am currently seeing XRP to do. As you remember, my friends, in my last few video updates, I have discussed about the XRP and told you that XRP will going to hit this FPG zone, and it absolutely hit this zone around $1.6 and bounce back from the zone. What XRP currently is doing, XRP has breakout EMA 55, EMA 21, EMA 100, and now is about to chase the next EMA ribbon, which is 200 EMA ribbon at around $2.5 zone. Once it breaks this zone and closes the 3 to 2 candles above this zone, then we can easily see it traded upward toward the $3.2, $3.4 zone, where I'm seeing that XRP will see a decline from this zone and came toward the $2.2 zone to $2.5 zone again for buying. As for Sol USDT, if we look at the Sol USDT chart, currently Sol USDT is trading around $151.5 zone, and its next resistance is around the $164 zone to $181 zone. Anybody bought at the $98 zone to 1,1500 zone, it should book profit, at least book your profit around 70% at this zone, 166 to $181 zone. Once it breaks out this EMA ribbons and closes similar, no need, we don't need to have rush things, we have to simply observe the EMA ribbons, SMA ribbons. SMA ribbons will exactly tell us whether the market is going up or whether the market is going down. So SMA ribbons provide us the best support and resistance in case we are buying cryptocurrencies. So we are going to see few more charts, like if we go to near USDT chart, our near USDT has previously hit all the chippies and now currently sitting at $2.5 zone. In my previous video update, I have told you that I will buy Ethereum near USDT at $2.2 and hold it till the 200% to 500% profit. So let's talk about the Link USDT. If you remember, my friends, in my last video update, we have discussed about the Link USDT, which levels I am expecting and which levels I will bought the Link. So in my update, I have told you if ETH break this zone and reclaims the $14.5 zone, then it will come down toward the $13.2 zone, where I am taking the entry, and that scenario was invalid. And second scenario which I was giving you, that if Link comes down toward the $11.5 zone to $10.5 zone, we're going to take entries at the zone, and then I'm expecting it to move upward, at least give us 100% pump. So currently I'm expecting it to give us a quite good pump. First, this is going link going to create a high, and then it going to create the low. How this work? So simply we create a trend line at this zone, like this, and link should, okay. So as you can see, I have drawn the trend lines. So at this zone, at $17.5 zone, I think we can see a rejection at this zone, and link will come down toward the $1,430 zone, or 1400 $14.3 zone, or $14.2 zone again, and then it will go up toward the 21 to $22 zone, and then again it will come down to $16 zone. Basically, I'm telling you that everything, whether it's Chainlink, whether it's Ethereum, whether it's XRP, it will not going to up by, like, if we have bought at $1,400 zone, tomorrow it will going to be $3,500 zone. No, my friends, this is not going to be happen. What going to be happen is level by level. First level, second level, third level, everything will going to be work on a level by level. So let's talk about the Polka.USDT. So dot is about to break this channel. Once it properly breaks the channel and reclaims this zone of $4.8 zone to $5.4 zone, it will definitely come down. It will definitely come down to this zone toward the 4.5 to $4.2 zone again.